Hola, Chanellies. Welcome to day 3 of 8 Days of Christmas. I'm coming to you guys with a recreation of an old video that I did a couple years back. And when I watched it, I was like, wow. My makeup looks completely different. I hope y'all can tell the difference in my makeup application. So if you want to go ahead and see that video, keep on watching. Don't forget to catch up with the other videos that I've been posting. 8 Days of Christmas. We're going strong. We're almost done. We have 2 more days left. So go ahead and watch all of the other videos. I'll leave them linked above and in the description box below. And let's get right into the video.
Alright y'all, so here is my final look from about 2 years ago, I believe. So this is the look that we're going for. This is me today, earlier today, you know, saying hi, letting Simba say hi. Say hi to Simba in the comment section. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the colors 330 and 338 mixed together. In the video, I was using 330 only, but now I like to mix them just because I tend to get a little dark, and I like to match myself with my darker foundation, not my lighter foundation. But to be quite honest with you, I probably just could have used 330 today because I'm looking a little light-skinned. But nonetheless, we mixed them together and we made it work. Don't forget to blend that neck. I said that in my last video and that still holds true. Alright, next we are blending out our concealer. I noticed that I didn't used to highlight my forehead, so I didn't highlight my forehead today. But I didn't remember not highlighting my forehead. I guess that's a new thing. I don't know. It's kind of big anyway, so I guess I don't need to highlight it. And I wasn't using a beauty blender then, so I'm not using a beauty blender now. Beauty blender. So get it right, get it tight. But yeah, we is blending and blending. And now I'm setting my face. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I wasn't using that back then. I don't even think that was a product back then. I think that's a more recent invention. But regardless, we setting our face. Looking casket ready in both shots. God dog. Now I'm contouring. I'm using the same product that I was back then, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color medium to dark, and I'm using the darkest one to contour myself. And my contour is looking a lot better today than it was back then, child. She was patchy, but she ain't patchy no more. Praise God for improvement. Why am I rubbing so hard? My God. Very fervent motions. And now I'm contouring my nose with my finger. I don't know why I used to do this. This is like the stupidest thing ever. I don't even really contour my nose anymore, but I went ahead and did it because I saw that I did it back then. And in the older clip, I'm setting my face with some like foundation powder. I don't do that anymore because I'm dry faced it and I don't need all that powder on my face, girl. Chill out. Now I'm using that same contour palette to do my eye look. Back then, I was using that Maybelline, the Nudes palette, and that's trash. I'm glad I threw that away. I looked for it. I did look for it, but I couldn't find it, thank God. So I'm just doing a simple eye look. We're deepening up the crease with a brown. Child, I'm looking at that old footage, and it looks like I had a shimmer in my crease. It is a hot mess. Ooh, it is all bad. Oh my God, look how frosty and ashy that shimmer looks. Whew, I've been delivered. I decided to add some glitter this time because, you know, we gotta be a little extra. And then I realized that I didn't record me doing my eyeliner, so I apologize for that. That's why I'm looking crazy in these shots. But nonetheless, the show must go on. It was trash anyways. It was a trash process. I'm putting on some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline, the Falsies mascara. I do love me a Maybelline mascara. Oh yeah, and I didn't used to do like eyeshadow on the bottom, so y'all get what y'all get. I'm using the same lip color. I'm using Rooch by ColourPop, which was Karrueche's collaboration. I still maintain that Karrueche had the best collaboration with ColourPop of all time, and I said that 2 years ago in that previous video. So, you know, we don't switch sides over here. And I'm putting Creeper in the middle because I used to use Sagon, but I'm pretty sure it broke. So nonetheless, still a blue red. by ColourPop. And finally, I'm finishing up with Glow Up, which was another Karuchi collaboration, and I'm using that as my highlighter, the same highlighter that I used in the video. But I didn't realize that I used my finger in the video, so I probably should have used my finger. Nonetheless, oh well. I tried to give y'all a little hair look, but as y'all will see shortly thereafter, homegirl popped the thing. So this is me giving y'all a little side swoop action. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this recreation. It was really cool for me to look back and see how my makeup looks then versus now. And I'm proud of my improvement. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.